If you're trying to return a Savana product, here's what you need to know. Step 1. Identify the correct retailer. There are multiple brands with the name Savana, so it's important to check your order confirmation or the official website to know exactly which company you ordered from. Step 2. Know the return policy. Most Savana returns are accepted only for defective, damaged, or incorrect items. Sale or clearance items may not be refundable. In many cases, you must report issues within 5 to 15 days of receiving your order, depending on the retailer. Step 3. Contact customer support. Send an email or use the contact form on the retailer's website. Be sure to include your order number, the reason for the return, photos showing the defect or issue. Step 4. Wait for instructions. Once your issue is reviewed, the company may offer an exchange, refund, or store credit depending on their policy. Pro tip: be specific. The more details you give, the faster and better the help you'll get. That's it. Follow these steps to successfully return your Savana product. If this guide helped, consider subscribing for more useful tips.